first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 5, Day 3. Listen as I say a word, plate. We're going to break it apart into its sounds. P, L, A, T. There are 4 sounds in the word plate. Now, watch what happens if I get rid of the P. Plate becomes late. L, A, T. 3 sounds. So I'm going to give you a word like this, and then we'll take away the first sound. Brace. Get rid of the B. Race. Flake. Get rid of the F. Lake. Swipe. Get rid of the S. Wipe. Slime. Get rid of the S. Lime. Okay, listen as I say a word. The word is bride. The word bride. Oh, wait. Bride without, we already did that. So now we're going to break apart some more words. Sat. Get rid of the S. At. Ill. Get rid of the I. Ul. Maybe that was like pill. So if I say pill, get rid of the P. Ill. Plain. Get rid of the P. Lane. Break. Get rid of the B. Rake. Smile. Get rid of the S. Mile. Clap, get rid of the K. Lap. Grace, get rid of the G. Race. Wedge, get rid of the W. Edge. Flick, get rid of the F. Lick. Last one, block, get rid of the B. Lock. Okay, friends, let's read. I'm going to let you go first, then I'll help. Word stood. Word push. Word shook. Word crook. Word wool. Okay, here we go. Let's look at some sounds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, whoops. I need to get a better. 3, 2, 1. In. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. O. 3, 2, 1. A. 3, 2, 1. W. 3, 2, 1. For today. For this week, it's even though it's umbrella as well. 3, 2, 1. Coal. 3, 2, 1. Ul. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. St. Okay, we'll do the top row together, and then I'll let you have a turn. Good. Word, good. Word, put. You just have to remember we're doing for you this week. Word, full. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Look. 3, 2, 1. Wood. 3, 2, 1. Push. 3, 2, 1. Cook. 3, 2, 1. Hood. 3, 2, 1. Crook. 3, 2, 1. Foot. 3, 2, 1. Book. 3, 2, 1. Bake. Okay. Now this time they'd like you to do it in your head. So do you notice how there are 2 P's so that the E can't jump over? So that's going to be a short vowel. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Stopped. Ooh, looks like the same word. 3, partly the same word. 3, 2, 1. Stopping. 3, 2, 1. Clapped. 3, 2, 1. Clapping. 3, 2, 1. Shopped. 3, 2, 1. Shopping. 3, 2, 1. Chatted. 3, 2, 1, chatting. Okay, let's read our sentence. This bag is full of gold. We have our capital and we have our end mark here as well, which is a period. I'm just telling you things. Let's look at our next choice. Okay, so here's our next sentence. He shook his foot and waved his hand. Okay, let's read it fluently. He shook his foot and waved his hand. We have our capital. Our end mark is a period. We're just telling you something. Here are our high frequency words. After, 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 after. We can play after school. Buy, 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 buy. What did you buy? Done, 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 done. When will the food be done? Every. Every kid got a book. Work, 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 work. This is so much work. Soon, 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 soon. We can go home soon. Here's our story for today. I'm going to let you read it, then I'll help. Ready, begin. A good cook. Here are words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, cook. 3, 2, 1, good. 3, 2, 1, push. 3, 2, 1, pull. Okay, I'll let you go first, then I'll help. Your turn first. Together. A good cook. Okay, let me go up here. Your turn first. Together. When a cook makes a dish, she likes to use fresh things. Every dish must look good. It must taste good too. Okay, here's our next page. Your turn first. Ready, begin. A good cook can get a ripe lime. A ship will bring limes in a box. After that, a cook will buy them. Okay, your turn. That says bread. Ready, begin. A good cook can make bread. He will push and pull it. Soon he will bake it. When it is done, it will make a fine bite. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. A good cook can use fish. A man must put a hook on a pole to get a fish. Then a cook will buy a fish. She will put it in a pan. Okay, last page for this part. Your turn first. Ready, begin. It is a lot of work to be a cook. A good cook can get a lot of help. If a cook makes a good dish, then people will say, "Yum!" Okay, friends, that was a nice story about a cook, and maybe some of your family members like to cook things. Right now we're looking at our contractions, and we have a big mistake with each of them. So this is isn't. Do you see the mistake? I do. It needs an apostrophe, right? So it should be isn't. Okay. Do you see where we're missing the apostrophe there? For aren't, we would write are, and then the N, apostrophe T, because that's where the O is. Aren't. Here's can't. Do you know where the apostrophe goes? If you said after the N, you're right. Can't. Here's didn't. So let's go ahead and write apostrophe T. I see a pattern, don't you? The O is just an apostrophe now. Didn't. And our last one for contractions is doesn't. Here we go. We have doesn't. Okay, friends. Let's look at what we've been learning this week. So when we want to keep the short vowel, so stop, we have to put a double consonant in order for it not to become a long vowel. So let me show you. So if I wrote this word, the E can jump over the P because there's only one letter. So that would be stoked. If I wanted to say stopped, I have to put two P's because E cannot jump over two E's. So stop becomes stopped and stopping. Okay, let's look at a few more of these. Tip becomes tipped and tipping. Do you notice the two P's? Okay. And last of all, brag becomes bragged and bragging. Notice the two G's. Okay? I'll talk to you later, friends. Bye.